time to respect. I want you to break down like a 12-gauge double barrel shotgun and show me what you're working with.
But don't you want commitment?
What? Go who?
Watch me act stupid. Down, this gonna go down. This freaking vibes is so nice. Gonna drink that.
What's up, my peeps? Welcome back to my channel. As always, I appreciate you guys tuning in. I know, it's been a while. I think 2 weeks and 3 days since I uploaded. Yeah, boy, I went back to work probably 4-5 weeks ago. But no, boy, got suspended. So boy can make a video. Anyways, this one is going to be really interesting. It's going to be filled with laughter, crazy reaction. And please subscribe if you haven't, and if you subscribe already, please just share the video. Help me grow this channel. So you probably not have to go back though. Yeah, you understand? Make some YouTube money. Help me do that now? Yeah. Now let's get into it.
Call me yard, say it up for banana, eat she walk, my little dick, my little dick, my little dick, my little dick. Watch out, my little dick famous. In a girl vagina, no anus. No girl want famous, but some big pussy girl want shameless. But my little dick too full, they give me 2 kids, something useful. Some big dick boy, them can't be nothing, I'm a lie, I'm just being truthful. So my little dick,
Yo. This time the name man look a shrimp. It buddy, but it's proud and shrimp. Them boy with the big jackhammer, them nah no use. Oh my gosh. Yeah man, on to the next one.
$400, and then I fucking sucked his dick, and then just because y'all were arguing, y'all were being mean, so I was like, I'm done. I want to get the fuck outside. Like y'all fucking being mean to my sister. I don't even know what the fuck's going on. And then I'm like, okay, give me 200 then. And then now he's like, I don't want. I'm only gonna give you 20.
City boy with it. City boy with it.
Nigga city boy with it. City boy with it. City boy with it. City boy with it.
Bro was like, girl, hold is 20. Yeah, there you go. From 400 to 20. Girl, you need an next profession. From common sense, gone tell us say, yo, before you provide service, you collect. She's a dummy. On to the next one.
Hey, we chilling at the water park, you feel me? We thugging it out. Look, what's your name?
Connie.
Alright, look. So basically,
She look young.
I got this coin right in my hand. If it land on heads, you gotta kiss me on the cheek. If it land on tails, I get to grab your ass.
No, wait, hey, stop the fucking video. Stop the video, nigga. She's 13. She's 13.
No, I'm not.
Special victim unit. We probably have a crime here. It's a two-way street with this one. Obviously, she lied about her age because, you know, when you're doing social experiments in the streets, you ask the person their age, you know, and if they can or want to participate, and then you proceed. So for a social experiment like this, I'm assuming you ask if, hey, you're 18, you want to participate, XYZ, you feel me? And she obviously lied about her age, because I don't think they would be so stupid, you know, to get her on their show and she's on the age. And then when she's on it, she's lying again that she's not 13. She look young, bro. I don't even like to like females' picture on Instagram, because girls be 16 and looking like 26. I'm not a petty or pedo. I want to be on the FBI radar. Nope. So I'm gonna see if I can find what happened next with this video. I'm gonna search for it, but pretty interesting. On to the next one.
Hello.
Wee. Combo. Miss. Confusion. Contusion.
Stop.
I ain't gonna let this nigga pop you in the mouth like you a child. This nigga body is in shock right now. He's like, come on. I can still go.
Yo, We have two males. One fighting like a man and one fighting not like a man. He got knocked up out. On to the next one. Yo, this one, oh my gosh, it's gonna have you laughing. It's Pop's funny, gone to bed. Watch this.
I told her she's fine.
She wasting her time.
She was
baby.
like,
Listen, Arnetta would be dead as hell 10 minutes after I put my hand on Arnetta.
why?
She too old. She can't cut the mustard.
But bro,
I done told you.
Come on now.
Look, baby, I stay in good shape. I eat good. I sleep good. I get plenty of rest. Take all my vitamins.
So what's the average age of the woman that you date?
At least 27, 28, 30 years old.
Girl, I don't believe that.
Well,
What the young woman want with an old man?
money.
But what about the ones that got money?
You want more money. I ain't never had no problem, baby. Let me tell you something. I go with damn near anybody I really want to, because I approach them respectfully, and I always reproach them.
Oh, Lord.
wait.
Here you go.
Money, money, money.
Here you
Because
go.
this is what make it all happen right there.
That's
See
what
these?
make it happen.
This is what make it happen.
If a man want to know how to meet a nice woman, how you meet her?
With this. First damn word come out your mouth. I got money.
But those not respectable women.
I don't want no respect. I want some ass. Damn the respect. I want you to break down like a 12-gauge double barrel shotgun and show me what you're working with.
But don't you want commitment?
What, who?
You don't want to be committed.
I'm committed to getting her to that bedroom and giving her what she needs and let her go.
Through the
That's
door.
because you don't want to listen to her because she's young and she ain't got nothing in her head. So you
I
need an
know.
older woman your age. Y'all can talk about
What I'm
politics.
looking
You can talk about
for, what I'm looking for is
the
not in her
70s, the
head.
80s. You can talk about growing up.
What I'm looking for ain't in her head. Trust me.
Pop said what he's looking for ain't in no head. Pop saying pull them young girls with the money. Yo, when we reach Pop age, I hope I am financially able and capable to pull them youngies in with that money. Whoop, my lady now say I'm gone. But Pops not care about nothing else but getting some, vajiji. And how him pulling him girls them is because him have money and they want money. So Pops pull them in with him, money. Pops get girl with him, money. Pops get vajiji with him, money. Pops is a sugar daddy. On to the next one. This is a drama. We're going back to court. Take me to court. Now put me on a child support.
Alright, let me give y'all niggas a backstory. These two shorties are best friends. Shorty who's standing up, her husband brought her to the show to confess that he's fucking with the best friend. Why is he crying, you asking? Because before she left the stage, she's like, fuck that nigga, I don't want him back, I got a new nigga myself.
Left my boy heart in shambles on that stage. Best friend fuck her nigga, typical hood shit. And they wanna be friends again. Alright, you ain't learned your lesson. Nah, but this is where it get juicy though, cause they start talking about the kids. Yo, listen closely.
You better hope they're here.
Special move.
My heart put at it. Yo, he's whimpering. You hear this nigga? He's whimpering.
And we have the DNA results are here.
Yo, his chest up. Yo, look at him. He's defeated. Bitch, fuck you. And she got the nerve to be crying after she crushed him with that finishing blow. Yo, he can't breathe. He's dying. Yo.
Bro got knocked the out. That's why you don't cheat, whether you're male or female. Once you're in a committed relationship, you don't cheat. If you want to cheat, just don't be in a relationship. You feel me? But if you're going to cheat, don't get caught. Alright, my peeps. I really hope you enjoyed this video. As I said, your boy in suspension. That's why he's doing this video right now. So do me a favor, help me get that YouTube money. Subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment. Like the video. Share the video. Please share it on your Facebook, share it on your Instagram, share it on your Twitter, share it on WhatsApp. Just share the video for me if it made you laugh. Until next time, stay safe.
Watch me act stupid. Down, this gonna go down. This freaking vibes is so nice. Gonna drink.